play chess. This is called the queen. It moves anywhere. This is called the king. So it does the same thing as the queen, it moves anywhere. Yeah? And this is called the bishop. Yeah? If it's on black, it moves only on black sides. If it's on white, it moves only on white sides. Yeah? This is called a pawn. Yeah? It only skips one step when it does its first go, or on its first go and do one. Yeah? But when they skipped 2 steps and then they do their next go, yeah, they only do one step because then they can't do anyone. This is called a knight. Yeah, it moves a diagonal, sides, or down or up. Yeah, this is called a rook. Yeah, it moves diagonal, sides, bottom, up. Finished.